Hello and welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to show you how to replace fuel filter on Volkswagen Passat with 2-liter TDI Blue Motion technology engine. If you want, this is the engine code. So it's DDAA. So this is the fuel filter today. I'm going to show you how to replace that. So to replace the fuel filter, you need to have a diagnostic tool or equivalent to that, or have access to the fuel lifting pump, which is located in the fuel tank, to operate after you have replaced the fuel filter. If you if you crank the engine after replacing the fuel filter without priming the fuel system, so it's going to damage the high pressure fuel pump. So I'm going to start. And another thing, some fuel filter is not marked with this type of mark. As you can see, it says this screw have to be tightened to 5 Newton meter. So 5 plus or minus 1 Newton meter. Okay, first clean all the surface with the brake fluid before removing it, as I have already cleaned that area. So to get removed all the debris, dust and everything. So then there are 5 screws. So remove these 5 screws in the diagonal order. So I'm going to show you. Okay, actually I didn't say in the diagonal order, but just marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this is the fuel filter cartridge that can be put here in the fuel filter housing, and then this is the tightening torque specification. This service manual is in German. So when you're tightening, you need to tighten in diagonal order. So 1, 3, 4, 2, 5. 1, 3, 4, 2, 5. Okay, put some clothes or anything else here that will prevent spilling the fuel. Now I'm going to dry and clean that the housing, the fuel filter housing bottom as well. As you can see, there is some debris in the fuel. I'm going to dry out those that fuel. As you can see, I have thoroughly cleaned that up. Final cleaning. Okay, smear this around the oil filter or fuel filter with the clear diesel, like so. Then remove this, then put that in. Fuel, diesel, make sure you align this knob with this hole, like so. Okay, just 5. As you can see, this is 5 and this is 0. Now all round to make sure that every screw is tightened to the spec. Okay, now is the critical part of the service. Okay, you need to connect battery charger to the vehicle, so the battery must be in good charging condition. So this is top down. Your scanner might operate differently, so I'm going to select okay. Now if you go to activation test number 3, so fuel pump is already selected, so I'm going to select okay. Now we have start and stop option, but when you press the start button you should hear fuel pump running noise. So if I let me show you that, if the video can pick up. It stopped, but I could hear that the you might be able to hear as well here. Okay, I'm going to press stop. So I'm going to do that 3 times. Now you can hear that the fuel pump is operating. So I'm going to press stop again, and also you will see here when you press the start button, stop. I'm going to do that 2 more times. I can hear that the fuel pump is running, and also there is no sign of leak or anything. So you need to check at the same time when you're priming the fuel filter any leakage. And also here it says not running. If I press start, it says running, and also this has changed to $sign and 110. Still running. I'm going to stop. Then once again Okay, now stop. I'm going to exit the scanner. Yes. And now I'm going to crank the engine and you watch. Hopefully that will start quickly. Okay, as you saw, the engine has started immediately, and if you check for any fuel leakage or anything, and also clean this thoroughly. Okay, that was the fuel filter replacement on Volkswagen Passat 2015 with the 2-liter TDI Blue Motion technology. You might be able now to see the Blue Motion technology. So thanks for watching.